With this incredibly delicious exo sauce, what can you make? Today I'm going to cover two different recipes using the homemade exo sauce that I made in the previous episode. One will be the shrimp with snow peas and the other one will be the garlic fried rice. So let's get to it right away. First, let's prepare the vegetables. Cut scallions into rounds and remove the bitter head part of the garlic cloves. Then you're going to thinly slice the garlic cloves, and please be careful not to cut your hand. You can use mandolin if you want. Now, this is the sample of the store purchased minced garlic, but it comes with a lot of moisture in it, so you're gonna pat them dry. The key point is you're going to shallow fry the garlic, and if it has moisture in it, then it's gonna pop all over the place. And you'll need 2 tablespoons of the homemade exo sauce. Start the pan with medium heat. Then you're going to add sliced garlic first. It's a common sense, but minced garlic cooks a lot faster than the sliced garlic. And you kind of want to infuse the garlic flavor to the oil. When the rims are starting to get brown, then you add the minced garlic. Mix everything and control the heat on the pan. You can simply do this by adding a touch more oil to the pan to lower the temperature. Know what I'm saying? And add your secret weapon, homemade exo sauce. Ooh. Now, the exo sauce has a little bit of oil content to it, so control it by straining it out using only the solids from the sauce. Drop your cold rice to the pan. Heat it up and break it down. Taste a little bit of rice and adjust seasoning. Drop your butter and bring all the flavors together. This finishing butter will help coating all the grains of the rice. And what I would do is to lay the rice flat on the pan to brown the bottom part a little bit to add flavor and texture. Fluff it out a little bit and then it's done. Plate your rice in a pretty looking bowl and finish with some scallion rounds on top. Okay, let's get to the next recipe. You're going to cut chives in about 1 inch length. And then you press and pull the heads of the snow peas just like this. Today I'm using the easy peel shrimp, so just strip them down and then make sure to take out the last segment before the tail. But if you're using the whole shrimp, it's a different story. You gotta peel it and then open the back and devein everything first. And then you gently press down the center line to open up the butterfly a little bit wider. Use the medium-high heat to cook the shrimps. And I personally prefer some irregular shapes to the shrimp, so just lay them down whichever way you want and then season. Keep in mind that all the ingredients in this recipe cook very fast. Now here's a tip. If you're not confident with your speed, you can cook all the ingredients separately. Drop 2 tablespoons of the exo sauce on the pan. Then add a little bit of cornstarch water to bring all the flavors together. Oh my god, look at this. Transfer it over to a plate. Garnish with chives and some crispy onion to finish. You see, we don't even need a lot of ingredients in this dish because the exo sauce has tons of flavor already. And it makes our home cooking a lot easier. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like and subscribe and notification bell because I got a lot more easy recipes waiting for you.